It's Betty time, and today is my first day of work. Wish me luck.
The next station is Jane Station.
This is my lunch for my first day of work. I just have a water oven drinking, Mountain Dew for energy to get me through the rest of the day. This is my leftover pasta from yesterday that is not that good. I have to warm it up, but I also forgot a fork. So Christina just went to get one at Freshie with her food. I brought a butter tart and some Crispers in case I'm still hungry after that or I just want a snack. I think my first day at work is going pretty well. It's just Christina and I here, and we already know each other. She's the reason I got this job, literally. And we're just going over things that I will have to do in the future. Right now I am part-time, so I'm just coming in today, and then on Thursday I'm coming back in. And then next week I'm training with the accountant, so I'll know like what he needs help with. And I guess that's basically all for now, but we're just gonna have some lunch. When we worked at TEMBER, Christina and I watched the whole series of The Nanny, and I loved that show and that whole experience with her. We would watch one every day at noon or at lunch whenever we ate our lunch, because we also ate our lunch together there. I'm just so happy to be working with her again. It's literally like a dream. I'm so lucky. She's the best. I thought you weren't gonna go to the gym anymore. I just came to visit King after work because he lives downtown, so thought I would take advantage of the view, visit a friend, hang out, but he has to go to the gym, so I'm gonna go home. I just wanted to look at the sun outside while it's setting so beautifully.
Hold here until the situation is resolved. Once again, due to a individual in the station with a weapon, we're holding.
This was my outfit of the day today, just in case you were wondering. Red pants, black top, red mask. Gilmore Girls, orange juice, cashews, chips, my favorite kind of chips. And after a long day of work, bedtime, Betty buys.